Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, the topic of my today's video is very unique and I am introducing some sort of new and very creative, easy to make, unique, simple and beginner friendly design patterns. So don't go anywhere, watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing and stylish trendy ideas. Friends, as you could see that the pattern have been changed and a very new and unique idea has been introduced in this video with you. That is, all of you are seeing side neckline embroidery designs for dresses. All of these side neckline embroidery designs are unique, beautiful, and they are tremendously eye-catchy. At a single glance, you are attracted towards them and they look extremely designer style pattern based, and the beauty of these designs is that they are very easy to make. In a sitting of 1 or 2 time you can make whole of these patterns. Few minutes embroidery patterns are absolutely these design ideas based, and only 1 to 2 hand embroidery stitches are required. Those persons who are working ladies, working females, office going, university, school going students who love class, style and love to remain elegant, decent and simple, then the entire collection of my today's video is absolutely for them. You can use these design patterns for designing your office outfits, office dresses, daily, everyday, comfortable, comfy dresses, school going dresses, and girls of every age, teenagers, office going and elder ones, decent age group. Even you can design these patterns onto the dresses of your baby girls as well. So try these design ideas and let us know how was your experience while making these designs. And these designs could be made on western and eastern dresses as well. You can design your shirts, t-shirts, sweatshirts, and you can also design your kurti, kameez, blouse, maxi, frocks as well by following these design ideas of patterns. So stay blessed and stay tuned for my next upcoming videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves and keep supporting us as you always have been by watching our videos, by sharing our video content with your friends and family so that we could grow up into a remarkable friends and family members on YouTube.